All available experts, please report to room A9.
Hey guys, Ecto here. Today we'll be going over the crawl variant of the module we've covered previously. This is crawl Pip-Nado. So if you remember the regular Pip-Nado, you would determine an offset, initialize the module, and then find the final number. You take the sum of some words, multiply by an offset, and then multiply by 1,000 and type it into these bottom screens. However, crawl Pip-Nado has a few more steps, as you can see here. So let me go through these. So, determine the offset. Concatenate the first and last digits of the serial number. So we have 13. And multiply by the number module on the bottom. I currently have 2. So this is 13 times 2, which is 26. If the current offset is even at this point, divide that by 2, which is, so we're going back down to 13. Otherwise we'd double it instead. Then multiply the current offset by the sum. This is the sum of all of these. The sum of the indicators, which we have 1, ports, which we have 3, and port plates, which we also have 3. Which gives us 91. The alphabetical position of the first letter in the serial number in A0 is 25, so this U is, instead of 21, this is 20. It goes on the sum of all the digits in the serial number. The sum is 4, so yes. Add the number of vowels in the serial number to the current offset. We have 1 vowel, so we're going to be adding 1 to this. We get 92.
Emergency cleared. All personnel, please return to your stations.
Modulate the current offset by 100, this will be our final offset, so we have 92. So when we initialize the module, we will get a NATO word spelt out in Pip-Nado. So, the 3 single digit display will display random numbers. This is important. These single digit displays are going to be our initial number. To take the final number, we're going to take our initial number, which is what we get on the screens. The alphabetical position, the alphabetical position in A0, the first letter of the first word. We'll know what the first letter is because it will spell out one of these words on this side. Position 0, okay, if it spells out alpha, then we ignore it. Take the sum of the lengths of each word. This includes spaces, so Ronald Reagan will be the 6 here, plus the space in between. In the Pip-Nado and current number being what we got up here, and then finally multiply by the offset, and then multiply by 1,000. If there is a letter in the serial number, be careful with this, if there's a letter in the serial number related to Pippi, which we don't, we would reverse the number. So say if we got out of the other end 763, we would actually put in 3767. Okay, so we still only get a 90-second timer though, so you have to be quick. So hopefully I get this. Let's start. So our initial number is 257. We'll multiply that by. We have Oscar, so it will be O, which is 15, so it will be 14. We'll add the lengths of all of the other words, so we have octopus with the extra U's, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then sunscreen, which is SUNSCREEN, 9 as well. We have crab, which is 4, alpha, which is 5, and Ronald Reagan, which is 13. So we have 5,038. We're then going to multiply by the offset. which is 92. So we're going to be submitting 496. And we get our module. So let's do that one more time. Our offset is still going to be 92, of course. So, our initial number is 599, and we have Mike. So M is 13, so we multiply by 12 instead. We have this. We're going to add Margarita, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters. Plus Igloo, which is 5. We have Kilogram, which is 8. And Echo, which is 4. Multiply that by 92, we get 780. That was multiplied by 1,000, of course. And we get the another module. So this is basically similar to regular Pip-Nado, but it makes the timer a little bit more tight in calculating, but still is pretty much self-explanatory. Just don't forget to add anything, and don't forget to multiply by anything, and don't be caught out by this rule. So hopefully you understand how to do cruel Pip-Nado now, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.